Hello everyone. In this video we will prepare and then install your Delta L Plus sensor on a hollow angled support. Before installing your sensor, you must first connect the battery. Start by removing the cover of the Delta L Plus using a PH1 screwdriver. Next, remove the battery, then plug in the connector, making sure to align the keying correctly without worrying about the color of the wires. Carefully note the serial number indicated inside the sensor. You will need it later to connect the sensor to the application. Screw the cover back on, making sure to align the arrows. Be careful, only tighten it by hand to avoid any risk of damaging the sensor. You can now install the connection cover. Add and configure the sensor in the application before going to the installation site. Please note, to add your Linkfeel token and benefit from remote connection, you must be connected to the sensor via Bluetooth to activate it. You can refer to the video Add My Linkfeel token, available on YouTube or via the link in the description. Next, assemble the angled mounting ball joint as shown on the screen. Using a hammer, gently tap to drive the ball inside. Now let's move on to installing your sensor on the structure. Start by placing your markers at about 21 centimeters, then at 5.5 centimeters on the angled side. Next, center the base plate and mark the 3 drilling spots with a pencil. Using a hammer drill with a 5mm bit, drill at the marked spots to a depth of about 4 centimeters. Be sure to remove the dust with the air blower. Next, insert the 2 hex head screws and the nuts, then tighten them with a size 10 wrench. Now insert the hammer-in anchors into the holes in the heel plates, then drive them in using a screwdriver and a hammer. Next, position the Delta L Plus screw in the ball joint, then screw it in. Tighten the ball joint properly with a size 10 wrench. Screw on the first nut, place the sensor, then add the second nut. Hold the nut located near the wall with a size 10 wrench, then tighten it with a socket wrench. Make sure the Delta L Plus logo is facing outward. Before leaving the site, don't forget to reset the data from the app. Your sensor is now connected, configured, prepared, and installed. Have a great mission.